The Nimitz class is a class of 10 nuclear-powered aircraft carriers in service with the United States Navy. The class lead ship was named for World War II commanders. Chester William Nimitz, U.S. Navy's last fleet admiral. With an overall length of 1,092 feet, 333 meters, and a full load displacement of over 100,000 tons in length, they have become the largest warships built and in service, instead of gas turbines or diesel-electric systems being used for propulsion on many modern warships. Operators use two A4W pressurized water reactors that drive 4 propeller shafts and can produce a maximum speed of over 30 knots, 56 kilometers per hour, and a maximum power of about 260,000 shp, 190 megawatts. As a result of the use of nuclear power, vessels capable of operating for more than 20 years without refueling and are estimated to have a service life of more than 50 years. They are categorized as nuclear-powered aircraft carriers and are numbered with successive hull numbers between CVN 68 and CVN 77. The Nimitz class carrier is named in memory of the American Marines aviator Admiral Chester W. Nimitz. All American aircraft carriers on average are named after heroes from the military, and U.S. presidents such as USS John C. Stennis, USS Carl Vinson, and USS Ronald Reagan, CVN 76. Reinforced by a nuclear reactor as the driving force, the USS Nimitz aircraft carrier strengthens the fleet for the first time U.S. Navy on May 3, 1975. To date there are 10 Nimitz class carriers in service. With a length of about 400 meters, and manned by 5,700 personnel, the carrier's cruising range is equal to that of an Ohio-class submarine, capable of cruising around the ocean without stopping. The cost of making this one aircraft carrier is around $4.5 billion United States dollars, approximately 40 trillion IDR, so that when the total price of the entire fleet is as 45 billion United States dollars, about 400 trillion. Reporting from various sources, there are 5 points that we should know about these ships. Here's the review. First, largest aircraft carrier from 1975 to 2017. Reporting from Naval Technology, the Nimitz class carrier is the largest warship ever built until the Gerald R. Ford class carrier, USS Gerald R. Ford, commissioned in 2017. The ship has the general characteristics of a total ship weight at full waterline, displacement of 102,000 tons and a runway deck length of up to 332.9 meters. Powered by a nuclear reactor, the ship can go up to 30 knots or 56 kilometers per hour. The ship with a beam of 40.8 meters is operated by 3,184 crew members. The ship can also accommodate a crew of 2,800. Second, the ship can accommodate 82 fighter jets. The ship can accommodate up to 82 ships. Typically these 82 ships consist of 12 F/A-18E F Hornets, 36 F/A-18 Hornets, 4 E-2C Hawkeyes and 4 EA-6B fixed-wing prowlers and 6 helicopters, namely 4 Sh-60F and 2 HH-60H Seahawks. The 310 NIMITZ class carriers. The first carrier of the NIMITZ class was the USS Nimitz, which was commissioned in 1975. The last ship of the Nimitz class family was the USS George H. W. Bush, which was commissioned in January 2009. Other ships were USS Dwight D. Eisenhower, CVN-69, commissioned in October 1977, USS Carl Vinson, CVN-70, March 1982, USS Theodore Roosevelt, CVN-71, October 1986, USS Abraham Lincoln, CVN-72, November 1989, USS George Washington, CVN-73, July 1992, USS John C. Stennis, CVN-74, December 1995, USS Harry S. Truman, CVN-75, July 1998, and USS Ronald Reagan, CVN-76, July 2003. The fourth armament of the carrier. The newly built carrier is equipped with 3 Raytheon GMLS Mk-29 Sea Sparrow launchers. The Sea Sparrow has a range of 14.5 kilometers and a semi-active radar terminal guidance. The carrier is also equipped with the Raytheon RAM, rolling airframe missile, system, which provides short-range defense, including cruise missiles. The USS Stennis was equipped with RAM in 2005 and began testing the system in June 2006. The USS John C. Stennis was the first carrier to fire the new Sea Sparrow ESSM-I missile in October 2008. Nimitz class carriers are also equipped with anti-aircraft guns. There are 4 Mk-15 Raytheon General Dynamics 20mm phalanx weapon systems that have a rate of fire of 3,000 rounds per minute and a range of 1.5 kilometers. The 5 war veterans serving since 1975, the Nimitz class carriers have participated in various United States military operations and were present in various conflict situations. The ship has undergone Operation Eagle Claw in Iran, the Gulf War, and more recently Iraq and Afghanistan operations.